Hey everyone, if you're running into the frustrating Rust error that says, please close the interception before starting the game, don't worry. Today, I'm going to show you a simple fix that actually works in 2025. Let's get straight to it. First, you'll need a small file called interception.zip. I'll leave a link to download it in the pinned comment, so grab it from there. Once it's downloaded, head over to the folder where it's saved, right-click the file, and select Extract All. Click Extract and you'll have your folder ready. You don't need to open anything inside it. Just keep it aside for now. Next, we're going to use Command Prompt. Open your computer search bar, type CMD, then right-click it and choose Run as Administrator. Click Yes if a prompt appears. Now comes the crucial part. There are two commands you need to run. I've left them in the pinned comment for easy access. First, copy the first command, paste it into the command prompt, and hit Enter. Then, do the same with the second command. Just copy, paste, and press Enter again. Once both commands have been executed, the final step is simple. Restart your computer. And that's it. When you launch Rust again, that annoying interception error should be completely gone. If this guide helped you, make sure to leave a like and hit subscribe for more fast, easy game fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.